Hello, and welcome to another update on Doge. I can identify here still only 3 waves up from the last low. I think we talked about this scenario already in the last video a few days ago, so the structure has not changed. We still have a potential A wave up in 3 waves from the April low. We have a corrective pullback in a B wave, and this was also a 3-wave move up. So I can only call that based on the current structure. I think in terms of likely options, for me, the most likely one at the moment is that this was another wave 1 off C. This was a wave 2 pullback in 3 waves. We're now trying to work on the C wave. To keep the upside momentum intact, I mean, the price must hold above micro support, which is currently here between 22 cents and 23.4 cents. I mean, of course, we can test it, no problem, but we should hold above 22 cents. This keeps the local upside impulse alive. Best I can tell is that this third wave should unfold as an ABC structure, best I can tell, because this looks also like 3 waves up. So it's going to be a bit messy, this move up. That's always the case when we're dealing with diagonal patterns. So be aware that we might not even get a clean 5-wave move. This A wave itself might turn into 3 waves. It's going to be ugly. So it's currently given us 3 waves up. So that's not bearish. Just means that we don't have 5 yet. At the moment, the direct move up is quite extended in wave 3. So I am tracking 4-5 waves because 5 waves give me an indication that the trend is up. I mean, it is up locally, right? But is it more than just, let's say, a strong dead cat bounce? Yeah. And the 5-wave move gives me more clarity that, yeah, it's more than that. It's likely the beginning of a larger uptrend, right? So waiting to see if we get a healthy wave 4 at some point, which could happen shortly. This internal third is quite extended, but yeah, I mean, it's a very small wave degree. If we get 5 waves, then the wave B pullback can be a nice setup. As long as pullbacks remain corrective, we can watch for higher prices. Should we break below 22 cents, then the focus will shift to the August low that formed here around 18.8 cents. I mean, that is then the next level that must hold if the upper micro support cannot hold. And then one of the next objectives for the bulls will be to break above our signal line here. It's a resistance line, breakout line around 28.5 cents. And yeah, ultimately, that's what we're tracking. What I can tell you is what the third wave should do, because the third wave should get at least to the 138% extension. And that level is located around 50 cents, just below 50 cents. We might get there. It's looking good. And then a wave 4 and the wave 5, possibly the 161.8 FIB around 58 cents. That's what I'm going to track until the market tells me otherwise, until some break of support occurs or something. But for now, it is looking promising, this local upside momentum. Please note, next resistance is around 30 cents. No, it's just below that. 28.8 cents, this previous swing high from the 20th of July, 21st of July, and from the 15th of February. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, feel free to join us on X for additional updates. You can also ask questions and much more. The link to our X channel is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.